To read the Mishnah correctly, we'll put in lines as if we're hyphenating, and then we'll put commas in where to stop. So it goes Keitzad Mevarchin. How do we say blessings? Al HaPeres, on fruit. And that's a question mark. We're talking about the blessings before we eat. The Mishnah answers Al Peres Ha'ilan, on fruits of the tree. Hu Aimer, he says, put this in quotations. Perek pri ha'etz. He says who creates the fruits of the tree. Now, chutz min hayayin, except for wine. For some reason, wine is considered a fruit of the tree. Well, it comes from the fruit, but the Mishnah considers it the actual fruit. We'll see possibly maybe later in the Gemara. She'al hayayin. Let's redo that. Let's stop right there. So we'll only do 2 or 3 words. Shalayayin, for on wine, who Oimer, he says, and we'll put this into quotations, Bayre pri hagafen. Let's put a period there. He says who creates the fruit of the vine. So we have our first answer. And let's see if we can underline this. Get another color here. We'll underline it in blue. So our question was on how do we make brachos, and the answer is on peres ha'ilan we say bayre pri ha'etz. Okay, let's see if we can get our colors back. It's not going to be the same. Alright, let's see. V'al peres ha'aretz, let's put the lines in. V'al peres ha'aretz, and on fruits of the ground. Who Oimer, he says, in quotations, Bayre pri ha'adama, who creates the fruit of the ground. So we have the blessing for the fruits of the ground as well. And here again it says chutz min hapas, except for bread. Pas is bread like pita. Sha'al hapas, for on bread. Who Oimer, he says, Hamoitzi, who takes out lechem, bread, min haaretz. Oops, we have 4 words there. Oh well, he takes out bread from the earth. If you notice, it says on fruits of the tree, it's bayre pri ha'etz. It doesn't say bayre pri ha'ilan. We're using special language for our brachos, and all our prayers are special language. On wine, it's bayre pri ha'gafen. On fruits of the earth, it says bayre pri ha'adama. It doesn't say bayre pri ha'aretz. And on bread, it's hamitzi lechem, not pas. Hamitzi pas. We say hamitzi lechem in haaretz. Okay, and again, let's underline our answer so we know what we're doing. We have peres haaretz, and we're saying bayre pri ha'adama, and I'm ignoring the exception for now. I think that's fine. And we're back to Val HaYirakas. We have a new category here, Val HaYirakas. This is vegetables. Now, vegetables is slightly different than peres haaretz. Peres haaretz are actual fruits. Yirakas are greens. Val HaYirakas, hu Oimer, he says, Bayre pri ha'adama, who creates the fruit from the ground. And, which is exactly, this is the bracha that we said before. The only thing is that in this category, Rabbi Yehuda argues, and Rabbi Yehuda says, Rabbi Yehuda says, Bayre mine deshain, who creates types of herbs, or types of greens. Okay, let's just put in our answer. So we have Vial HaYirakas, let's underline Yirakas. We have a Bayre pri ha'adama as our answer. Or possibly a bayre mine deshain. We have 2 opinions here. So in category 1, we'll put over there, let's change our colors so we see what we're doing. In category 1, we have peres ha'ilan. Category 2, we have peres haaretz. Category 3, we have Yirakas. Category 1 and 2 had exceptions. In category 3, I'm sorry, that looks like a 2. In category 3, we have actually an argument.